So if someone had told me that I would own a YouTube channel one day, I would have said to the person, what exactly are you saying? Like, what are you saying? Because it has never ever been in my plans. But guess what? I launched my YouTube channel yesterday and I was just thinking, why didn't you make an intro video? Then I was like, okay, intro video. Here we go. So this is my intro video. I'm going to be telling you guys all about me. Not all, sha, but yeah, some things about me. And I'm also going to be telling you guys all about my channel. So please sit back, relax, and enjoy this video. I definitely know you're going to enjoy. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I know a lot of you guys don't know me because I am that new girl in the neighborhood. Yes. So please welcome me well, and you welcome me well by subscribing right now to my channel and also liking this video, please. I beg you guys. So my name is this good natural princess. You can just call me princess. I am obviously a young girl in her 20s. I don't want to tell you guys my age. I don't. But yeah, I live in Lagos State, Nigeria, and I studied biochemistry in school, but I am a certified virtual assistant and customer service representative. So part of the reasons why I opened this channel is because I want to develop a skill. It's for my personal growth. I want to develop the speaking skill. I lack so much when it comes to speaking. I am trying to become better at speaking. Most times I know what to say, but because of that huge hurdle when it comes to my speaking skill, I end up not saying anything. So I want to get over that. I want to start speaking more. I want to start, even though I'm not speaking to people, I'm speaking to the camera. Most times speaking to the camera can be so very hard. So for me to be able to start doing it, I believe that I am progressing. So yeah, that is the main reason why I actually opened this channel. But then this channel is going to be all about growth. Yes, from career growth to personal growth to YouTube growth. I'm going to be teaching a lot of things here in this channel. Also, in this channel, we are going to be developing our growth mindset. You see that growth mindset, some people don't really know what growth mindset is, and some people don't know what fixed mindset is. A lot of people have fixed mindset and not growth mindset. So for fixed mindset is the mindset that when you see a challenge, you just don't want to get involved with it, right? I have that mindset as well. So I am developing my growth mindset. And for growth mindset, anyone with a growth mindset, when they see challenges, they want to face it. They want to see what is in there. They want to see what is happening. And because of that, they tend to learn more. They tend to develop. They tend to grow. So that is what we are going to be doing in this channel. See that growth mindset, we are going to have it. We are going to develop it. I'm going to be teaching you guys. I'm going through a lot trying to develop mine. So as I am learning how to develop mine, I am also going to be coming here to develop you guys' mindset. You get the gist. You get the gist, right? I'm going to be sharing a lot of tips. So this channel is going to be educative. This channel is going to be entertaining. This channel is going to be motivating. This is your go-to channel when if you are feeling down, if you are lacking in some areas, you feel like, oh, I can never do this. There is nothing like that here in this channel. There's nothing impossible for you to achieve. Absolutely nothing impossible. If you don't know how to do something today, you're still going to learn how to do it tomorrow. So because you don't know how to do something today, it means that you are yet to know how to do it. So there is room for you to also learn how to do it. So in this channel, I'm going to teach you guys the power of yet. I'm going to teach you guys a lot of things. This is my speaking skill. Because I have a fantastic speaking skill. I think I would tell you guys more. So please just subscribe to this channel. All the good stuff, you are going to get it from this channel. And trust me, you are not going to regret it one bit. I promise you. I seriously promise you're not going to regret it. You're going to see how your life is going to change. You're going to see how your life is going to turn around, how your career is going to turn around, how so many things. I promise you, because personally, I am in the process of growing myself. But in the same time, I want to document it. I want to teach people how to also grow. So whatever I learn, whatever I put into practice, whatever works, I'm going to come here and I'm going to share with you guys. So please, if this channel is something that you would love, subscribe, like, share, I don't know, anything to help me grow. Do it. Because I am here because I want to grow. So please, anything to help me grow, please help me as I help you. Thank you guys so much.